Now let's look at question 4b. We have a triangle here. You have 18 degrees, this angle, this side is 30 and this side is 21 centimeter. And we're to calculate the area of the triangle. Now, the formula we're going to use is generally it says the area is AB sine C, right? Half AB sine C, I should say. So in this case, what they're really talking about is a triangle with A, B, this side is C, and the angle you're looking at is this one, alright? So here, in our case, here the area would be half, our A would be either 30 or 21, let's say 21. 21 times C, B would be 30, sine of the angle 18, alright? So in this case, it would be half of 21 by 30, sine 18. Let's use our calculator and get the answer. So we have half of 30 is 15. So it's 15 by 21 times the sine of 18 degrees equal 97.34 centimeters squared. So it's 97.34 cm squared that we would have there. Alright? That's question 4, part B. Let's look at question 4, part C. We have a right angle triangle here. We have the right angle here. The sides are 17.5, 7, and 16. You must find sine alpha. This is the angle alpha. So in this case, sine alpha is, remember now, alpha is on the left over here. This side is on the right, so it's the opposite. And this is the hypotenuse. So sine alpha is opposite 7 over the hypotenuse 17.5. Alright? What about cos alpha? Cos alpha is adjacent, which is 16 over the hypotenuse 17.5. And what about the tan of alpha? Tan is opposite over adjacent, so it's 7, the opposite side 7 over the adjacent side 16. So that's what you would have. Here, show that tan is sine over cos. So tan is 17 over 16. It's supposed to be sine, which is 7 over 17.5 over cos, which is 16 over 17.5. So let's look at this. So 17 over 16 is the same as. This is a fraction divided by another fraction. So the 16 over 17.5 is the denominator fraction. Now you remember how to deal with your division of fractions. It's going to be 17 divided by 17.5 multiplied by the reciprocal 17.5 divided by 16. But 17.5 would cancel 17.5. So here, this 17 over 16 is equal to, I put 7 here. 7, not 17. I was writing 17. Let me redo this part again with the correct numbers, because we don't have any 17 here. Right, my mistake there. So let's redo this part. So here, tan, we're supposed to show that tan alpha is sine alpha over cos alpha. Tan alpha is 7 over 16. Alright, this is equal to sine over cos. Sine alpha is 7 divided by 17.5 all over. Cos alpha, which is 16 divided by 17.5. But when you're dealing with a fraction divided by another fraction, what you have here is the numerator fraction, in this case 7 divided by 17.5, multiplied by the reciprocal of the denominator fraction, which is 17.5 divided by 16. But 17.5 cancels 17.5. So 7 over 16 is equal to, this would become 7 over 16. So that is shown. Alright? Alright, so that's that for that question.